Hey everyone, this is George's Garage. Just want to do a quick assembly and review of this Powerstroke Yamaha motored pressure washer. Just do a quick walkthrough of it. So, see there, it has a nice spot where you can put all your nozzles. Comes with 5 nozzles on this one, different degrees or angles. Also has this this nozzle here, which is real good for cleaning sidewalks. Won't scar them up. It's run off of a 160 cc Yamaha motor, and comes with the oil. Also has 1 gallon of soap container in the front there. Let's go around here. It's a nice spot for your wand, see there, as well as for the hose. See on the bottom is where you hook up the hose for the pressure washer nozzle, as well as the hose that comes from the water supply. And big tires. This handle's removable, so if you have a tight spot you need to store this in, you can do that. And I haven't started it yet, so I'll do it and do that now. But one more thing this pressure washer came with, it was kind of an added bonus, was the sidewalk patio cleaner here, which attaches to the pressure washer wand. And if we look at this, underneath it just has 2 nozzles that spin really fast, so that you're not, you know, putting lines into your sidewalk in one spot. And it just kind of uses these brushes to kind of glide over the sidewalk. I haven't used it yet, so we'll see how that works. Okay, once you have put fuel in the tank, you want to go through the starting position. So this lever should be parallel or in line with the fuel line. You turn this on and then pull the choke out if it's the first time you're starting this. I actually found that I didn't need to even turn the choke on. Once you got everything set over there, just pull the handle. Okay, I have this area in the side of the garage here that I wanted to clean out with the pressure washer. I'm gonna first try all the 4 different nozzles it comes with. I'm not using any soap. And then I'm gonna use this, the cement cleaner here last, and see how that works out. So I'll go ahead and do that now. 30. I'm gonna try the turbo wash, which rotates. This sidewalk cleaner. Okay, I used all the nozzles. This one definitely made it really easy to clean a big area really quick. You can see here the difference. I had all that grime and everything, and it just took it right off. So the other nozzle is really good if you're gonna really need to get some like pretty deep grime off. But you can always start off with this the sidewalk cleaner one, and then work your way trying to get the harder stains out. But hope this review of the Powerstroke washer was handy or helpful. And if you like these type of videos, please subscribe to my channel. And if you like this video itself, please give me a like. So I'm gonna go and finish the rest of my yard and see how it all comes out. All right, thanks for watching.